Okay, I love practicing in my house, dry firing, and even if you're at a range and you want to try to practice, it is expensive to actually shoot ammo through your firearm, so these little things are great. I have a bunch of them in different calibers. This one is 9mm. It is essentially just a little laser with a little striker on the back of it, so when you hit that striker, or just a little button on the back, it actually turns on the laser, right? You can see the laser then turns off, turns on. So when you put this inside of your firearm and you rack the slide, the striker actually hits that and creates a split second of that laser fire. So it works essentially like a bullet, and it just does a couple of things. One, your striker is now hitting a rubber piece instead of just dry firing over and over again. So if you want to dry fire and practice things, hitting something is better than hitting nothing, in my opinion. So you're hitting a rubber piece, which means you're not going to hurt your gun by dry firing it over and over and over again. This can also be used to sight in things like red dots. I point it at the wall, fire it, see where it's hitting on the wall, and make sure my red dot is hitting in that same spot. It's a good way to get your red dot kind of zoned in before you even get out to the range. But when you pair it with a target, with a laser target, you now have a system inside of your house in order to dry fire, practice pulling from your holster, in finding a sight picture, in firing quickly, all without using actual ammo, all without actually dry firing your weapon because you're actually hitting something with that striker, which is great. And this is one for 9mm, but it comes in other sizes. I also have them for 380. Again, this is just the laser. You can also pair it with a target, which I've done in many cases as well. It comes with extra batteries, comes with a little case, comes with an extra striker in case this one were to break or wear out. So far, I'm happy with it. I'm impressed with it, and I would definitely recommend it.